Sunday, and I have a catch up with my childhood best friend, Skye. So we're gonna go to Trinoma today, but I'm gonna pick her up. I'm late, and I don't like being late. It's just that ang sakit ng katawan ko from yesterday.
Kita mo.
2024, wala akong naaalala.
2024, 2025.
Ay, fuck, 2025.
Do you want dessert?
Okay lang. Ay, so, eto.
Do I need to?
Hindi pala mahaba.
Malay.
Next. Hello! I will upload this again today. Today is a Monday, December 29. This is my fit. All black ako today. And then, I will pickleball again tomorrow. Naaya ko cousins ko, and then inaya ko boyfriend ko. Kaso, he's in Laguna, and bumabawi siya ng family time sa family niya. And then, nag-aya ko ng 2 friends, si Denise and Echo again, but Denise is going to Subic. Echo is still unsure, so let's see tomorrow if he could come. And then, the ones at RG are me, my cousin, si Iya, yung kasama ko last time. Na-addict siya sa pickleball. And then, Ate Kimi and Kuya Mav, my cousins also. So,
stretch, lift, maintain the heel, relax, good, like the transfer, the left, find your again, top of the heel, activate all the muscles here, tigasan mo yung lahat, good, tingin sa legs, transfer, good, arch, Inhale. Inhale. Inhale sa legs. Good. Inhale to switch. Kaya pa. Exhale. Inhale. Up. Straight the legs. Straight. There you go. Good. Transfer. Ayan mo yan.
I just got back home. Nagpa-thread ako. And then, nag-grocery din ako. Kasi I wanted to make pasta. And then, I bought on the ants, forgetting na I'm gonna make pasta. So, come with me. And I'm gonna cook. Sa double. Yung scoring. Tatlo. Kunwari, ako nasa akin, ikaw nasa akin. Ako muna yung magsisirve. Smile! Eko, say hi. Itigil mo na warm up mo. Mababa naman na! Wow!
Ganun ka lang muna, sabihin niya hindi kaya kaya.
Humble lang. Ganito pala feeling. Napagod ako. 40 minutes yung last game. Pwede sa taas.
Family. Ano yung pinamigay niyo? Wala pa. Ano yung wala siya?
Coaching.
Ano? Ano kanya? Ano sa celebrate? Oh, Toronto? Oo.
Galing.
Beach Raven. Ano pa na yung kagad?
Mashed potato nature.
Morning. Today is January 2 and then I'm working today so I fixed nilista ko lahat ng kailangan kong gawin. So it's mostly me fixing my January files and 2026 files kasi I want to automate some of the things that I've been doing repeatedly. Dumating yung Shopee code. I've been working out consistently. Like, well, November, December, medyo wonky yung schedule ko kasi busy. But ever since the agency break, I've been trying to work out every weekend. So, to motivate myself, I bought more workout tops. Kasi I have sports bras and leggings na, but I don't have much workout tops. I only have like 3 jackets, 1 shirt. So, I bought more. This is from Air Active, and this is where I usually buy my stuff. So, I'll be trying it out. Hold on. Now that I'm doing Pilates, I don't like wearing loose tops kasi medyo hassle siya. Pumupunta siya sa mukha ko if bumabaliktad ako. I love it. Para naman may color ang aking ang aking workout clothes. Pero technically, this is like beige. Ito yung nilolook forward ko. May gantong top si Denise from Shape Active and I really liked it but hindi ko afford yung Shape Active. So, nakita ko to sa Air Active like it's new. As in, wala pang bumili but since I've been buying my workout clothes from them, trust lang ba? I love it. I love it. As in, this is gonna be my favorite workout top. But I feel like I'll use this. I'll remove the pads and then I'll use my sports bra para mas secured. Really, I love it. I love it. I'm wearing the top that just arrived. Though, nalabhan na to.
And that's 3, push. Good switch. Okay? Here ulit. Arch. Ready? Hindi pa ready. Okay, gandahan mo ah. Relax. Let go. Pull. Good. Point your toes muna. Good. Bring your hips up. Arch more. Arch more. Perfect. Taas pa. Pasok pa yung knee towards your body. Pasok. Good. And let your chin. Switch agad. Good. Pasok pa yung chest. Pasok pa yung knee. Perfect. Good. Dito na tayo sa right. Point the lengthen ha. Good. Arch more. Arch more. Lengthen. Point your toes. Point. Ooh, smile. Good. Let your chin. Drop the leg. Drop the leg. Drop the leg. That's perfect.
I should put my wide lens. watch People We Meet on Vacation. I read it. I read the book. So I am so excited because the characters are so accurate. Oh no, the actors are so accurate. So this is my official rest day. Though I had a full day, my whole day today was full of errands. Like I had a checkup, bought stuff for the hiking and a lot of things, but it's relaxation time.
Oh wow, we're all getting naked and so far from the water.